Hey there, and welcome to this video on how to access and use your partner portal. In this video, we'll show you how to log into your account, navigate the dashboard, and access all the features of the partner portal. To log into your partner portal, use the link provided in your welcome pack. This will bring you straight to the login page. Enter your username and password, which were also provided in your welcome pack. Then click Login to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which provides a summary of your account details. Ensure that all of your account details are correct. Secondly, you'll see a summary of all the accounts we manage for you. Here you can access all the information about your account from the time you opened it with us till date. Underneath this, you'll see a few key tabs. Under the first tab, you'll see a list of all your customer accounts, along with their file number, client account number, total charge, and outstanding balance. Click on a customer's name to view their contact details and payment plan. Ensure that their details are correct and that they're on the correct payment plan. Additionally, you can find other details related to the customer, such as their most recent payment, fees, and outstanding balance. You can also add notes about a customer at the bottom of the page to contact us regarding any customer concerns. This makes it easier for us to see anything that you need regarding a customer. That way, you won't have to email or call us. This could be if a customer wants a statement, has cancelled their payment plan, wants to update their bank details, or alter the details of their payment plan. If you need to see any transaction history from a client, you can click on the Transactions tab to view this information. Now, back on the dashboard, you can also access your invoices and statements under the Invoices/Statements tab. These documents are sent directly to your email every time we make a payment to your account. Now remember to always log out when you're finished. This way you'll ensure you have the most up-to-date information regarding your account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. We do look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.